Check out the blizzard we got here. I don't think it was supposed to snow this much, but it did. This is in Monroe County, West Virginia. Look at the snow on that house and the van. This is Weedy Guitar Studio signing out. Bye.